Akshita Chauhan, studies in Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, Priyadarshini, Bihar. Today, our video theme is washing dishes is not a bad thing at home. So, me and my classmates of class 7th are going to tell some important points on washing dishes is not a bad thing at home. So, let's begin.
Ever look at a sink full of dishes and think, why don't I just bury them in the backyard? Washing dishes, also known as washing up, is the process of cleaning utensils and other items to prevent foodborne illness. Washing dishes is very necessary to keep kitchen plates clean and silverware safe to use. We should wash our own dishes with no hesitation. It is not just a good habit, but makes a mother feel comfortable. Some people think that washing dishes is just a habit and routine of lower class people and women. This is a stereotype. To break the stereotype, we should wash our own dishes. It also makes us responsible in life.
Good morning everyone. Today Yuvraj of class 7th is going to tell you about washing dishes is not a bad habit. It is absolutely right. If we leave the dirty dishes around us, they are likely to spread bacteria. Dishwashing is necessary to keep the kitchen clean and plates and silverware safe to use. If you do not wash your dishes, it will start smelling a while, which is not good for our health. The main reason for washing dishes is hygiene, which is important for human health. I will tell you some dishwashing tips. Tip: use hot water to wash the dishes. Tip: do not use dirty sponge. Tip: do not wash the dishes with the bare hands. Use the gloves to keep your hands safe. Tip: do not use too much soap. Thank you.
Ultimately, if you leave dirty dishes around, there are people and the animals in the house which are likely to spread the bacteria. Bacteria stay live on the surfaces, even clean surfaces, for up to 4 days. So washing dishes is not a bad habit. We must wash our dishes every day.
As we know, cleaning and hygiene plays a very important role in our life. Washing clothes, washing car, mopping and dusting are some household tasks to keep our house clean and allow us to live a healthy life. But one of them is dishwashing. Dishwashing is necessary to keep our kitchen clean. I will tell you some surprising benefit of dishwashing, like lower stress, fewer allergies, relaxation, teaches kids life skills, and last but not the least is make kitchen hygienically safe. Washing dishes is a really great meditative and stress relieving thing. This is not a bad thing. Dishwashing process are very important to achieve great levels of food safety and quality. The aim of cleaning dishes is removing bacteria and disinfect our kitchen. So, do the dishes after having a meal, and it is such a fun and helps our mother also.
The most common way to spread germs around your house is not to wash the dishes. If you leave dirty dishes around your house for a long time, then the bacteria will grow on it, which can make you fall ill and can cause any kind of disease. Did you know that washing dishes actually boosts your immune system and it can also reduce your stress? So, in this lockdown period, we have a plenty of time. So, we should help our mother and lessen their burden by washing dishes. Washing dishes is essential to keep your kitchen clean. It is also essential to keep your crockery, silverware and plates safe to use.
Good morning, my dear friends and teachers. Today, I am Sayan Jain explain you about dishwashing is not a bad habit at home. Dishwashing, also known as washing up, is the process of cleaning cooking utensils, dishes, and cutlery and other items to prevent foodborne illness. Everybody wants to save the earth, but nobody wants to help mom to do the dishes clean. Dishes clean is not a bad habit. Ultimately, if you leave dirty dishes around and there are people in the house and possibly animals, they are likely to spread bacteria around. Bacteria will stay alive on surfaces and on clean surfaces for up to 4 days. While many kids think that doing the dishes means moving them from the sink to the dishwasher, teaching them to the hand washing dishes is a grateful life skill. So I think dishwashing is not a bad habit to do at home. Thank you.
As we know that this is a pandemic time, and in this time we have to stay home and safe. While being stay at home, the work in the home is also increased. During this time, it's our duty to help our mother in her day-to-day activities so that she will not get tired in this time. We have to wash dishes at home without any hesitation. It will be the most helpful hand for our mother, and I think it is not a bad habit that we wash dishes at home with self. It is very energizing habit. We have taken some steps while washing dishes at home. Wear safety gloves while washing dishes. This will protect our hands. Use hot water while washing dishes so that all the dirty particles and bacteria will be cleaned up quickly. Rub the dishes with the soft sponge. Put the breakable dishes with the soft hands in the dish rack.
Washing dishes is not a bad thing at home. We should help our family by distributing work in each other. It may less the burden on our mother who do all the work alone very hardly. Washing dishes is the hardest work for them. So we should help her for washing dishes. This is not a bad work if they can do so. So why we can't do that work? So washing dishes is not a bad thing.
Wash utensils in this tough time of pandemic. In this time, we can help our mother by washing utensils so that she doesn't feel tired and can do more work. Unwashed utensils can contain bacteria which can be spread by the flies which are flying in our home. The flies sit on the utensils and then sit on the food we eat, and then we eat that food. In this way, they spread the bacteria. So, we should wash utensils.
Morning everyone, my name is Aisha. I am from class 7. Today I am going to tell you about washing. We should wash our dishes without hesitating, and if we will not wash the dishes daily, the bacteria will grow and it will be infected to us and we will fall ill, and it will be very harmful to us and our family members. We should wash our dishes daily, and it is a very good thing to do in these days also, and it is a necessary thing to do daily because we have to keep the kitchen area clean. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dear friends and my respected teachers, today Aitamli Singh of class 70 is going to present a short video on topic washing dishes is not a bad thing at home. Not doing the dishes is a common way to spread the germs around your house. Ultimately, if you leave dirty dishes around and there are people in the house and possibly animals, they are likely to spread bacteria around. Bacteria will stay alive on surfaces, even clean surfaces, for up to 4 days. So on dishes that have contamination like food particles, bacteria can stay alive for a long time. Leaving the dishes in the sink might seem harmless, but spreading bacteria around can increase a person's chances of getting respiratory problem. Dishes left in dishwashers are less of a problem because they are contained. You are not going to have some come in, touch the dishes and move the bacteria around. If hand washing dishes though, have the water as hot as you can bear. Wear rubber gloves. Use detergent to wash
Making food 1 hour, eating food 20 seconds, and washing dishes never ending. Hope you all getting my point. So do the dishes if you use them. Thank you.